The Specialty Equipment Market Association, known as SEMA, is a worldwide phenomenon. Through all of its high-tailed growth, one man and his dynamic team is responsible for the greatest show in cars to date. Meet Tom Gattuso, VP of SEMA Events, who's been planning and handling this event for the last 12 years. This master party planner has only you and your happiness in mind. He touches on the pulse of the show, what to do, and how to make the most of your experience. We continue the discussion around the legislative frontline and what it could mean for restorers and powder coaters alike. I hope you'll join me for a listen today and then join us live at SEMA. Who's in to meet us there in Las Vegas in early November? Get ready to level up your powder coater game.